Hello, I'm Emma Hammett from First Aid for Pets, and today I'm going to talk to you about bleeding and how to help if your dog is bleeding. So that bleeding might be because they've been bitten, because something sharp has fallen on them, because they've been involved in a car accident and hit by a car, all sorts of different reasons. But the key thing is to stop that blood coming out. Before you do any of that though, check for your own safety. So just make sure it is safe for you and safe for your pet. If it's not safe to stay where you are, you'll need to pick them up and get out and get safe. Now, if they are bleeding because they've been bitten by another dog, then if you're able to swap, well, first of all, check your own safety and check their safety. So if it is safe to do so, swap details with the owner. It can be really useful in terms of any future insurance claim and treatment costs. And then check your dog over carefully. It can be really easy to miss a nasty wound, particularly with their fur. So have a really good check at them. Have a look and see how they're walking. Are they walking strangely? Could they have been injured and you just haven't seen it? If they are bleeding profusely, get something non-fluffy and apply direct pressure to that wound. If it seems to be a deep penetrating wound, you might need to pack it. You do that by using some material, obviously this is a human, and finding out where the source is and packing the wound with something to apply direct pressure, and then you will get them to a vet quickly. If not, you will just be applying pressure yourself with some non-fluffy material. It's not a panic to clean the wound at the moment, particularly if you're going to the vet. If they have been bitten though and it's a minor wound, then you need to wash it carefully with soap and water. Now, if you suspect they might have internal bleeding, which could have occurred if they've fallen from a height, or if they've been hit by a car, or if they've potentially had, an ulcer or something that's burst, you will notice is the early signs of shock. So they will potentially, their mucosal membranes will be paler. They will be sort of vague and a bit disorientated. Perhaps they start going floppy. It's a sign that their blood pressure is going down. Their heart rate might increase, and they will not look very well. You need to get them to a vet as quickly as possible. There's nothing you can do to stop the blood coming out. In terms of seeing blood coming out, obviously if there's blood coming from any orifice, then that could denote internal bleeding, or if there's swelling or bruising that you're aware of on them, you need to get them veterinary help as quickly as possible. Internal bleeding is very serious and it could kill them, and they do need to get it checked out and stopped fast. So I hope that's been useful. That's how to stop a bleeding dog, and thank you for listening.